Hello everyone, in this Python tutorial we're going to be creating a sales chart program. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what it does. So it's asking me to enter some sales. And then the results display the sales in asterisks based on our values divided by 100. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of coding this out. Alright, let's get started by creating some variables to hold the user input. So I'm going to say sales1 equals int input enter sales1. And we're going to duplicate that for the other sales as well. Let's quickly run the program to make sure it's working. So it's going to ask us to enter some numbers. And it's working. Now for the slightly more tricky part. Okay, so we're going to keep track of the sales number that we're currently on. So we're going to say sales num equals 1. And we're going to create a dictionary called dict that holds a key value pair. So we're going to say the key is S1 and the value is sales1. And we're going to do that for the other sales. And then we just change the names. Now we're going to create a for loop to loop the dictionary. So I'm going to say for key value in dict.items. And items is basically a list containing key value pairs. And then we're going to say dict key equals value / 100. And we're doing double / because we want the value to be an int and not a float. And now we can print sales, comma, sales num, comma, colon. And under there, we want to create another for loop, say for x in range dict key. We want to print an asterisk for however much numbers we've entered, divided by 100. And then if we want the asterisk to print on the same line as the sales, then we just do end equals blank. And outside that for loop, we want to increment the sales number. So we're going to say sales num plus equals 1. And then we want to tab it to the next sales by doing print \t. Now let's run the program. So let's enter some sales. And there we go. We get the asterisks for each of the cells. And as you can see, the formatting isn't that good. So we could easily fix that by going up here to this print statement. And we can add a sep to remove any unnecessary spacing. And then an n to make the asterisks print on the same line as the cells. Now let's run that again. Let's enter some cells. And there we go. We get the results right here printed. So thank you for watching. Bye.